I have a very good memory of Ranveer's audition. तो बैंड बाजा बारात मैं 100 ऑडिशन ले चुकी हूँ तब तक,
Yeah.
right? But first time था in a take where I forgot my lines and I was like, oh my god, I was the biggest Karishma Kapoor fan.
The song and the
Oh
dance.
my
and the-
god, like I can't tell you how I was obsessed with her.
भूमि को डर नहीं लगता हिंदी में.
Nidar Bhumi. That sounds horrible.
Welcome back to another episode of What Women Want with Kareena Kapoor Khan, Season 5. Presented by Dabur Amla, co-powered by Philips Garment Steamer and Max Life Insurance. आज मेरी जो guest है, she's an actor who had quite a heavy-duty performance in her Bollywood debut. She's not only a dedicated artist, but वो एक climate warrior भी है. Please welcome the ever-lovely Bhumi Pednekar.
Hi.
And thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me and thank you for such a sweet introduction.
And how can we not have you, someone who's done such amazing roles in her career, been so brave, right from what, your first film till, I think, Bhakshak?
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm sure there are, more this year coming out, but you've been such a brave artist right from the beginning.
I think I just got very lucky because of my first film. And after doing Dam Laga Ke Haisha, I realized that this is the kind of cinema I enjoy. And I kind of found my purpose through my art.
Nice.
And it just kept me going. And I've just been lucky that I've had filmmakers that kind of resonate with the work that I do. And yeah, it's just been a lot of destiny that has really been very, very kind. Because I'm a big believer.
Yeah, of course. Do you have any fun incident when you were a casting director?
I have a very good memory of Ranveer's audition. This was for Band Baja Barat. And he is so phenomenal. He's such a wonderful person. And I remember when he entered office, जब उन्होंने enter किया था, आजीवासन जूहू में, वहाँ पे हमारा casting office होता था. जो energy आप रणवीर की देखते हो ना, carpet पे, when he's interacting with people, उसी energy के साथ वो आया था. And I'd never seen somebody coming in for an audition जिसका वो persona था. And I remember मैं और मैं lines rehearse कर रहे थे, and usually I would be very good because मैं 100 audition ले चुकी हूँ तब तक, right?
Yeah.
Same scene पे. But first time था in a take where I forgot my lines and I was like, oh my god, this person in front of me is so brilliant. I don't think I'll ever forget that experience. And that energy and confidence, that was one thing that I learned from him. जो मैंने continue किया in my life as an actor. I was like, it's so important to just be positive in life and वो positivity के भंडार है.
Yeah. And his energy, जैसे, it's as cliche as it sounds, but it's truly infectious.
It truly is. And I just feel कि he's very kind as a person as well. And I've literally known him when I was an assistant. And even till date, when I meet him, the love is exactly the same, which I which I feel is incredible. And I've seen that not happen with people as well. And I think that's very cool.
So, जैसे आपको पता है कि obviously an actor की life is full of ups and downs. It's always a roller coaster. And now, of course, after so many years, you have become a pro.
Absolutely.
But this is a social media generation. Everyone is conscious about क्या है, क्या लोग बोल रहे हैं, comments कैसे हैं. So has there been any phase in your life, which is, I want you to tell us the Dabur Amla story, your story of strength, that where you've had to like go through any sort of, a low phase, any phase that was traumatic for you, and how, as a woman, you went about it?
I mean, for me, I feel the lowest point of my life has to be when I lost my father. I don't think there's any grief bigger than losing a parent. And I'm very proud of the way we as a family came out of that loss, because we'd also seen him through a prolonged sickness. And उस point पे मेरे पास 2 option थे, या तो मैं अपनी misery में जीऊँ, लेकिन as a family मैंने realize किया कि अभी I have to become the anchor of my family. मुझे एक certain role मेरे family के लिए लेना पड़ेगा, जिसके लिए शायद I was also too young.
So how old were you?
I was 19. when I lost my dad, and it was like 2-3 years of like him being unwell. And I feel like I showed a lot of resilience then, and I'm very proud of it, because I easily could have my life could easily not have been what it is today.
Yeah.
है ना? तो कहीं ना कहीं पे वो उस टाइम पे मैंने काम का इतना ज़्यादा सहारा लिया, क्योंकि मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि काम ही एक चीज़ है जो मुझे 10 फोल्ड वापस देगा और कुछ नहीं देगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. मैं लगी रही, ब्लाइंडर्स ऑन करके मैंने कहा बस करना, अब काम ही करना, और मैं एक्टर बन के ही रहूँगी. तो I think 4 days after losing my father, I was back in Yash Raj working. And this, I hope people draw inspiration from this,
Right.
you know, and because it really, my work really made me very secure.
Yeah. It was something that you could fall back on.
Absolutely.
And rather than, you know, being and thinking about what has happened.
Absolutely. Because मैंने realized किया that I have to pull my socks up. And बहुत ही protected life थी मेरी because of my parents, and अब नहीं है, which is fine. And you know, I wanted to be there for I wanted to be my mother's ally through this situation, because you know, when death hits a family, it's just not emotional loss. There's financial instability that hits you. There's just your entire ecosystem goes for a toss. You know. And my sister was even younger. She was like, you know, 15 then. So I was like, okay, I have to adult. So I adulted that year, and I'm very proud of myself. And I think what I'm even prouder of, that I've grown up not to be a bitter person. You know, I had my struggles, but I'm very proud of them, and I wear them as a badge, as opposed to anger.
Yeah.
And I feel a lot of that comes from my mother, because she always kept a very positive atmosphere, and she's like, if a certain situation has come towards you, ये आपकी तरफ इसलिए आई है क्योंकि आप इसके साथ डील कर सकते हैं, है ना? तो उसमें कैसे क्रम्बल नहीं होना, वो मैंने इन सालों में सीखा. एंड फॉर मी, उस वजह से आई थिंक मैं अपनी फिल्म फेलियर्स से भी बेटर डील कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah, of course.
एंड bad relationships also I can deal better with, because I went through that experience. But I feel उसके बाद कुछ इतना बड़ा मुझे लगा ही नहीं, कि मुझे लगा वो उससे निकल आई तो ये तो क्या ही है. But having said that, over the last 10 years, I feel Friday to Friday जो आपका
of course
change होता है,
that is only, I think, in our film industry.
And
but I think now you're ready for that, because जैसे आपने कहा कि if you can overcome what you have with your father's death. But I think this story is really inspiring for our listeners, because you are someone that a lot of young girls also look up to. The fact that, you know, like you've told us, you came from, you know, a non-filmy family, you worked the way you have, you've gone through your father's death. So I think it's been one of our really interesting Dabur Amla story of strength. So please accept this hamper.
Thank you so
they want to
much.
give you this.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy.
It is heavy. There's a lot of goodies. I think with you, आपकी movies में हमेशा एक societal kind of message रहा है, चाहे वो दम लगा के हाइशा हो, where it was about body positivity, or Toilet एक प्रेम का था, which was about, you know, sanitation. There's, you know, different. You've always had that message, which is great. But so when you read your scripts, is it के, you know, you look for that message, कि ऐसे हो जाता है? Or are you conscious while reading the script?
I personally, as a performer, enjoy doing films that have something more to say. But I also feel that a lot of those scripts come my way. And I think it's just the type of person I am also, because even off screen, I'm constantly up to something or the other. There's a bit of activism in me.
Okay, so I mean, personally भी आप ऐसे हो?
Absolutely. I have a lot of activism in me, actually. That also comes from the family that I'm born into, because that was also in my parents. And I'm a very opinionated person, and I like it when my films have a bit of an opinion. So I think it's just, I tend to go towards those films. But at the same time, that was not the cinema that I necessarily
grew up watching, because you never really,
Correct. I was the biggest Karishma Kapoor fan.
The song and the dance.
Oh my God. Like, I can't tell you how I was obsessed with her. You know that Raja Hindustani dress, the red one?
Yeah.
And I was a baby, and I fought with my parents that मुझे वो चाहिए
Yeah.
ही.
That time 90s mein we were always like watching all the Salman,
Yes.
Govinda, Karishma songs, and you know it was that.
Queen.
Yeah, so that also inspired you to become an
Yes,
actress.
absolutely.
So do you feel कि अब आपको जो roles मिल रहे हैं because आपने ऐसे message oriented films की है, is it that you're being put
Yeah.
in a box and trying to say that कि ऐसे करना है and you want to break away from that?
I think so, but I feel my breakaway is more off screen. With I enjoy fashion and beauty a lot, and I
Right.
never got a chance to do that in my films.
I know, and
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it, and not because I'm an actor. I've always loved it. Again, fashion is a form of self-expression for me, and my fashion choices are always thoda, hatke.
Yeah.
And I enjoy it.
yeah, you
I
like
mean,
dressing up.
I can sit in front of a mirror
Oh,
for
God.
hours. It's therapeutic to me.
Oh my
I
God.
have no problem में पूरा दिन बैठ के सच सवर सकती
Makeup,
Love.
hair, doing different looks.
Love.
Yeah, I think that's also so much of being a woman also. Na? It's fine na,
It's
to
a
have that
celebration,
expression.
yeah, and I should not feel like, and I feel every time I do that, people are like, they're so used to seeing me in a certain way in my films that they still are confused about, oh, why is she doing this? But I'm not doing this to fit in. This is who I am.
But now it's time to play a little fun game.
Come on.
After all your serious, a little bit of, we
Yeah.
can have a little fun. So it's called Kill Them With Your Kindness.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to read a few comments from, Instagram and basically
God. Scary.
Yeah, the Instagram.
So tough.
Yeah,
They're so mean.
So you have to kill them with your sassy
Done.
jawabs. Basically
Done.
it has to be.
मेरी अच्छाई से I'll kill them.
हाँ. और आप इतनी अच्छी
Literal
actor हो, तो
translation.
आप, you can definitely add a little bit of zing to it. Okay, so the first one is, ये तो forced glam look है.
ये तो forced glam look है. आपकी ये forced opinion तो मैंने मांगी ही नहीं. But glam है.
But glam hai. Yeah, of course. Too much glitter. Why would she dress like this?
Because I sparkle all the time.
Ooh, I love it. See, that's why you're also an actor and you're so witty and everything. You've got it all booms. Glam nahi means looks nahi.
Not true.
Not true, na?
No, I feel you need to feel glamorous inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you do all the time.
I'm feeling glamorous in my kaftan also.
See, that's what I'm saying.
लंदन में बर्थडे करके 100 फोटोज डाल रही है.
100 कम थी और डालनी चाहिए थी.
I think so. ना 100 भी कम है यार.
Absolutely, 100 कम है.
Her sister looks better than her.
That's true. I think my sister is beautiful. Thank
This
God
is what
for that.
makes her what she is, guys. I think all our listeners and your fans will be proud of you. So we're going to play a little game.
Okay.
And it's called Philips Garment Steamer, Love Your Clothes.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you कुछ celebrities के description देने वाली हूँ कि किस तरह से dress करते हैं and you have to guess that celebrity.
Okay.
I think it's going to be very easy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just have a feeling.
So I shouldn't get nervous.
No, there's nothing to be nervous about, okay?
Okay.
So the first one, be it Indian or skin-hugging outfits, she's the bay of fashion.
Very tough.
Ananya. Guys, from pajamas to dhoti, true royalty.
Sefsa.
See, that's what I'm saying. ये क्या है ये इतनी like come on yeah guys. Okay, stitched saris and comfort pants. Her toned body carries it all.
This is not very generic.
All of them have been, na?
Toned body means. Everyone has a toned body.
No, but her body is like
Like she's got a body.
She's got a
She's
body.
fit.
She's fab. Like her body is like I think like I mean like
Disha?
no, not Disha. Forever.
Shilpa?
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Huh?
Yeah. OG.
See, told
OG,
you.
OG.
Loves his oversized shirts, but his spiked hair is basically the talk of the town.
Arjun?
No. See, actually not bad, huh? See?
Because this is very generic. Okay, spiked hair hua, spiked hair.
Oversized shirts, like just like messy spiked hair.
I'm still not getting it.
No?
No.
I don't know. I mean, like everyone like loves him. I guess he's
No,
the
that I'm
current
sure of.
heartthrob.
Ranveer?
Oversized shirts. Ranveer.
Yes. Give me a clue.
Okay,
yeah.
Bhumi, you're not
No,
getting
no,
the
I can't lose.
hamper,
Please, I can't
and
lose.
you're not getting the
No, Acha,
Philips
please,
garment
no, I
steamer.
can't. I have to win. It's a problem. Who has an oversized shirt, yeah?
Okay, I think you worked with him or are going to work with him.
I'm so embarrassed.
Yeah, we
Who
just
has an
spoke about him.
Karthik?
Yeah, isn't
Oh, yes, of course. His hair. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, see, I think Karthik should take notes. See, your next heroine doesn't know also, huh? That how like your messy hair and oversized.
Oh,
he wears
no,
oversized
he
shirts.
wears. That's right.
Ah, so that's it. So I think okay, fine.
I've
you
done a
have-
very bad
No,
job.
but you've got the hat.
Thank you. Thank you, Philips.
Thank you. Coming to my next question, it is about that आप social media में काफी active हो. You're, you know, you post a lot. जैसे आपने कहा कि, you know, sometimes you're like, you know, for your fashion moments, so putting it like on Instagram. So do you feel that it's important, you know, to be active on social media and put out these kind of things to be casted in movies? Is it important? Like, does it this image shift?
I feel it's a very personal choice. I enjoy Instagram a lot. Also, I mean, social media a lot. It is my way of kind of letting people know who the real side of who
you.
I am actually. और फिल्मों के लिए मुझे नहीं लगता कभी भी मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में आपकी सोशल मीडिया इमेज हैज आइदर कन्वर्टेड इनटू टिकट सेल्स और हैज कन्वर्टेड इनटू यू बैगिंग अ रोल आई थिंक बाय द एंड ऑफ इट इज योर फिल्मोग्राफी in my experience, right? Because it's not like suddenly like thank you for coming didn't happen because of which was in my filmography the most fashion forward film that I have done. It did not happen because of my Instagram, right? It happened because they were looking for an actor who was credible enough to understand the part and carry it on their shoulders.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or my or Royals, एक show जो मेरा अगले साल आएगा, जिसमें which is also quite urban and you know it has a fashion element. That also happened because of they wanted somebody
who's also a performer.
Correct. They needed a performer. So in my opinion, I don't think
or having how many X million followers. I don't think that really helps
I don't think it converts ticket sales, in my opinion. I feel like, you know, the theatre going audience is, they really are, they are loyalists in different ways. I feel like they love you for a certain thing.
Yeah.
And you should give them that. This also I've learned like over years, you know, बहुत मेहनत लगती है एक loyal audience base collect करने में.
Yeah, of course.
And they have certain expectations from you और हम यहाँ उनकी वजह से हैं. और मुझे उनकी वो expectation service करनी है because they literally expect a good performance out of me, which is such a good place to be at.
Okay, so this is our very special segment. It's called Jaldi 5 because we're in our season 5. So it's a rapid fire, which I'm going to ask you and has to obviously be rapid.
I'll win it.
What is the craziest rumor you've read or heard about yourself?
Samiksha and I are twins.
I know, but
But we are not. We are 4 years apart.
Yeah, but you know, I don't know, but I think
Strong
people don't
genes.
know that.
Yeah.
They always say, na,
Yeah,
कि Bhumi ki twin sister.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
So y'all are not.
No, we are not.
Now, tricky one, I feel.
Okay.
Dam laga ke Haisha or thank you for coming?
Oh my God.
We have to put you a little bit in a spot.
I think Dam Laga Ke. Your first film is always like nothing can...
And I'm sure Riya and Karan won't mind that.
Yeah. They took me in the film because they loved Dam Laga Ke Haisha.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I love Thank You. Like it's got a part of my soul attached to it.
Of course. No, but great. Bhumi, अगर आपके life में कोई book publish करे, so उसका नाम क्या होगा?
She was never afraid of anything.
She was never afraid of anything. Nice. I like that idea. Yeah. भूमि को डर नहीं लगता. हिंदी में.
निडर भूमि. That sounds horrible.
Yeah, no, that. 3 movie characters in Bollywood that you really wanted to play.
I would love to do a Chameli again. Love. I've also told people Karro, it's such an iconic.
Yeah.
I love the film. And I would want to do, I really want to play Paro.
For Devdas. Amazing. So that's Chameli Paro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
you must. How
okay,
nice. Yeah, Paro.
I've not. I want to play a freedom fighter, but there aren't like a lot of films that
Based
where I've
on a-
seen like a lot of women freedom fighters. But I really want, like, growing up, my most favorite film was Legend of Bhagat Singh.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's a great film.
I love that film.
So
Or I would want to
female
be,
version.
yeah. Or I would want to be a part of, if Rang De Basanti was ever made again, I would
Oof.
want to be a part of Rang De Basanti.
Oh, legendary movie.
Love.
Yeah,
Love.
great choices. Wow. So before we wrap, and you've been fab, but obviously there's this section called AMA, Ask Me Anything. So
Okay.
you get to ask me anything.
Okay.
One question.
One question?
Yeah, you have to ask me.
Only one question.
Yeah, no.
What is this? Okay, I'm excited. I want to ask you, it's actually more about your process, because you are so sublime on screen, and your filmography is literally from Pooh to Buckingham, right? It's the whole, like, you do every kind of genre. I don't think there's a genre,
Yeah,
there is a
that's-
type that you've not done, and you've been loved and accepted in all, which is so rare for an actor. I don't think it happens often. So how do you do it? Like, what's your method?
There's no process. And I think like you said, कि बचपन से फिल्में देखने का एक नशा था, and just wanting to be on screen. I think it was a similar story, because for me also it was just watching, all Sridevi, Madhuri and Karishma and Kajal's films, and just saying that, okay, this is what I want to do. So I think जब एक अंदर का जो एक हवस होता है, I think that just pushes you to kind of kill it.
Yeah, and it's still like so strong.
Yeah.
Because you're somebody who is really like, you're just there, because you're constantly told that you have to be relevant
Yeah.
with your cinema, and you have to be, and you're just so.
But I know, and I don't even know why people keep using this word relevant.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, you can be irrelevant even like
Correct.
at like a young stage in your
Correct.
career. It doesn't matter. So I think it's a word that's not right.
It's highly abused, actually.
Yeah.
And it's more, and people use it more for like women.
Yeah.
Because they again put more pressure on us. Now you have to be.
Exactly.
I'm like, come
and if
pressure,
you're a good
aisa.
actor, you will work till you're 60, 70, na? So how does it matter? Yes, you are going to. And thank you so much. I hope apni audiences and fans and listeners ko aise hi entertain karte rahe. And I think they've really enjoyed. We wanted to have you on the show because
Thank
of such
you.
powerful roles that you've done
Thank
for
you
women.
so
So you
much.
needed to be on What Women Want.
Thank you so much. This was such fun.
Thank you, Bhumi, for coming on our show. And you've done such lovely, powerful roles that we had to have you on What Women
Thank you
Want.
so much. This was such fun.
Thank you. And thank you to my lovely audiences for watching this episode. Comments likho, batao, kaise tha ye episode? Stay tuned to Mirchi Plus for more such episodes and subscribe to Gaana to hear our show in the podcast section.